Hello, good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? And who do we have in the session today? Can I get a hi from everyone who's there in? Can I get a quick hi to whoever is here in the chat? Please note, in order to respond, in order to chat, you need to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe quickly. So we'll begin with a quick round of introduction. And I will quickly introduce myself to you. So, my name is Nikita and I am from Kolkata. And let me know who all are here in the chat box and where are you from? Okay, just give me one moment. Good morning. I can see messages coming up. Good morning, everyone. Can I get a quick hi from all the people who are listening to me? Quick hi or a quick hello. Okay, I can see messages are coming up. Yes, you can tell me your name as well. Hi. How do you pronounce this? Atriya. Hi, Atriya. How are you? I hope you've had your breakfast. And where are you from? Let me know in the chat where are you from? Arya. Okay, your name is Arya. That's a lovely name, Arya. Let me know where are you from? And who else do I have in the chat? और कौन-कौन है chat में? मुझे quick hello बताइए chat में. Hi or hello, and you can tell me your name as well. Kharagpur, West Bengal. I am from West Bengal as well. High five on that. We're from the same place. Very close. Okay, we'll just wait for another minute, let more people join in, and then we shall start. Okay, I have put my screen on full screen mode. I hope it is visible. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let me just check what is happening over here. Why are you not able to see my full screen? I am on full screen and I have changed the slide as well. I think this should be visible now. If you can see my screen on full screen, I would expect a thumbs up from everyone, whoever can see my screen on full screen. Or should I just close this and start up again? Hmm. Okay, now I think this is working. Cool. So as I was saying, I'm from West Bengal and we have Arya also from West Bengal. Welcome Arya, welcome to the YouTube live session that's happening right now. And if there are more people, अगर और लोग हैं तो मुझे please बताइए अपने अपने नाम. And I think we can start. Huh? We waited for quite some time and now let's get started. Okay. So today we are learning about, we're just solving questions, okay? So I will be posting questions. मैं कुछ questions post करूँगी screen पे और आपको मुझे chat में उसके answers बताने. Simple. Cool. Shall we get started? Can I get some thumbs up in the chat? Okay, let's get started. And the first question coming up. Here is the first question. So it says find the difference between P and Q. Now what is P and what is Q? अगर आप right side पे देखोगे एक sum है ना 388 minus 3P5 and then in the answer it is Q33. So you need to figure out what is the value of P, what is the value of Q and then find the difference between them. I hope everybody knows what is difference, right? Difference is when you subtract two numbers, the answer that you get is known as the difference. So before explaining, I would expect some answers and then we would, see what is the correct answer. So let us see who answers this. Quickly in the chat box, let me know what is your understanding. Okay, so I've started getting answers. I'll just break it down to you how to do this. So कैसे करने हैं? 388 अगर आप Q की वैल्यू देखो तो फर्स्ट लाइन में क्या है 3 minus 3. What is 3 minus 3? Exactly, it is 0, right? And आप second वाले tens वाले number पे देखो 8 minus P gives you 3. So 8 से हम कौन सा number subtract करेंगे so that our answer is 3? You have 8, you want to be left with 3. That means what have you subtracted? Of course, you've subtracted 5. So your value of P becomes 5 and the value of Q becomes 0. And what do you get on subtracting 5 minus 0? It's obviously 5. So the correct option is 5. Yeah, just let me do some writing over here so that you can understand this better. So over here I was talking of 8 minus p equals to 3. So what is this p? P is 5. 3 minus 3 equals q. What is q? Q is 0. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Correct option C. Right? Okay. I can see more people have joined up in the chat. That's great to know. Hi Manal, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. And where are you from? Okay, so let's click on the correct option, which is option B, and let's check if this is correct or not. I mean, sorry, C, option C, 5. Yes, that is absolutely correct. Can we move to the next question? Okay, let's get going. It says, the next question says, 40 less than 368. So first of all, we need to find out what is 40 less than 368. Okay, that's good to know that you're from Lucknow, Manal. And how is the weather there in Lucknow? Okay, the slides aren't changing for you again. Let me just check 1 second. Okay, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Is it visible now? Yeah, I think now it is visible. And if I'm changing, is it changing? Yes, it is changing. Okay. So since I believe you all were not able to see the first question, I'll go back to the first question once again and let me be on full screen mode. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you for bringing this up, Manal, that the slides were not visible. I hope it is visible now. Just give me a thumbs up if you can see the screen now. Now I can see it is visible, right? So the question, I'll repeat the question since there was a little lag. Sorry for the inconvenience. So let's get started again, okay? So it says find the difference between P and Q. अब ये P और Q क्या है? अगर आप right side में देखोगे इधर एक मिनट. So if you see over here, there is a sum. 388 minus 3P5 is equal to Q33. We need to figure out what is this P and what is this Q. How do we figure that out? So for that, what we need to do is First, we will subtract this. Okay, 3 minus 3 is equal to q. I know 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So the value of q is 0. Very good. I've already started getting answers. Good job, Nikat. Good job, Manal. And then over here, I find 8 minus p is equal to 3. So what is the value of p? P is 5. And q was 0. So 5 minus 0 is again 5. So your correct answer becomes option C. Let's click option C, 5, and check if we're getting it right or wrong. Option C, 5. And that's absolutely correct. Good job on the first correct answer. Shall we move ahead? And whoever is here in the chat, please, like whoever is listening to this, प्लीज सेंड मी द चैट. आप अपने आंसर्स को मुझे चैट में भेज सकते हैं. एंड अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इन ऑर्डर टू चैट. Let's get going. The second question. The question says, what is 40 less than 368? I'll repeat. What is 40 less than 368? If you subtract 368 minus 40, you get 328. Am I right? So what should be the correct answer? Should it be 328 ones, 408 ones, 328 tens, or 408 tens? Oh, I can see more chat coming up. Good, good. What's your name, dear? In India, flowers and cake. What is your name? Can I know your name? I have Arya with me in chat. I have Manal with me in chat. And what's your name? So yes, I can see answers coming up. Are you saying answer C for this one, or was it for the previous one? Oh, Arya. This is Arya only. Okay, okay, Arya. That's nice to know you. No problem, Arya. But I just want to know, I have changed my screen again. Is it visible to you or not? I think when I go on full screen, this problem is happening. Okay, let's present it in this way then. Okay, Arya, no problem. Connection is a problem always. Whenever you can have a connection problem. That's okay. Okay. So 40 less than 368, it should be 328. So the correct option becomes 328 ones, right? So let's check if option A is showing us the correct option. Let me go to slideshow and click on option A. Yes, option A is absolutely correct. Moving on to the next question, and it says Find the value of v minus w. I hope you all can see my screen. Yeah? Yes, I've started getting answers, meaning my screen is visible. Thank God. Okay, what do you think is v minus w? Again, just like we solved the first question, जैसे हमने first question किया था, हमें फिर इसे भी उसी logic से करना है. अगर आप देखो 7 on the right hand side, यहाँ पर there is a subtraction given over here. What is that? 7v1 minus 611 is equal to w80. So what is the value of w and what is the value of v? And then you subtract both the answers to get the final answer. 328. Yeah, that was the previous answer. We move to the next question now. Find the value of v minus w. What will v minus w be? I'll wait for a minute to get answers and then we'll see if that is correct or not. So if you subtract 7 minus 6, what is 7 minus 6? 1. So the value of w, in place of this w, you should have 1. And v minus 1 is equal to 8. Which number should I subtract with 1 in order to get the answer 8? कौन से number को मैं 1 से subtract करूँगी ताकि answer 8 आए? Yes, 9 minus 1 is 8. So v आपका 9 है और w 1 है. So 9 minus 1, which is 8. And the correct option to this one again becomes B, option B, 8. Let's check if that is right or wrong. Yes, option B is absolutely correct. Good job, everybody. Arvind, it's not 9. The option was option B. The value of v was 9 and then the value of w was 1. So you have to find out v minus w. So 9 minus 1, the final answer would be 8 and not 9. So if I click on 9, it will show me a wrong answer. It's not 9, it is 8. So check your answer. Yeah? Okay, moving on to the next question. I hope we are ready for the next question. Are you guys enjoying? Having fun? Yes. Manal, 8 is absolutely correct. Yes, Arya, B is absolutely correct. I'm getting all answers. That's great. So if you all are enjoying, can I get a thumbs up in the chat? Quick thumbs up in the chat. Great. Started getting responses. Good job. Glad to know that you all are enjoying the class. Okay, let's get going. As the next question says, let's read the question first. It says, Seth has 124 coins. Asha has 135 more coins than Seth. How many coins does Asha have? Think about this question, okay? Seth is having 124 coins. Asha is having 135 more coins. So how many will Asha have? Yes, you will have to add both the numbers, correct? You will have to add 124 plus 135. And the answer should be, what is 124 plus 135? Yes, very good. Let's check if the option is correct. 259, right? I'm getting option B in the chat, 259. So let me check if it is correct. Well done, all of you. Option B is absolutely correct. So you all are good at this. Everybody is giving me all correct answers. Good job on that. Okay, the next one. Let's read the question. Diksha sold 476 cups of jelly and had 241 cups of jelly left. I'll repeat. Diksha sold 476 cups and has 241 cups left. So how many cups of jelly did Diksha have at first? मतलब 476 कप्स सेल करने के बाद भी उसके पास 241 कप्स अभी भी हैं. So जब उसने स्टार्ट किया था फर्स्ट में उसके पास कितने सारे टोटल जेलीज थे? How will we find this? So we need to again add up both the numbers 476 and 241, and that gives you 476 plus 241. Quickly add up and tell me what is 476 plus 241. Yes, it is 717, which says that option A is correct. So I'm also getting it in the chat. Let me check if it is correct. Absolutely correct. Well done. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. There are 3 plates of cherries on the table. Each plate contains 4 cherries. How many cherries are there in all? I'll repeat the question. There are 3 plates of cherries and each plate consists of 4 cherries. Very good, Arvind. Very good, Munal. I'm getting all correct answers in the chat. So, मैं वापस हिंदी में बोलती हूँ. 3 plates है, हर एक प्लेट में 4 हैं. टोटल कितने हुए? यहाँ पे मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास बताया था कुछ है ना, रिपीटेड एडिशन. करेक्ट. आप या तो सेम नंबर को ऐड करो, एक प्लेट में 4 है तो आप 4 को 3 टाइम्स ऐड करो, और you can also multiply, right? Repeated addition is multiplication. So 3 into 4 is 12. Option B. Let's check if option B is correct. Yeah. Absolutely correct. Well done everyone for the correct answers, and moving ahead to the next question. Let's move ahead. Okay, this one looks a little tricky, but of course, you all are smart, right? आप लोग सब smart हो, सारे answers दे रहे हो मुझे. Okay, next question. A hotel has 8 floors. On each floor, there are 31 rooms. How many rooms does the hotel have together? एक बार और repeat करते हैं. होटल में 8 floors हैं, हर एक floor पे 31 rooms हैं. So total कितने rooms हुए होटल में? What should we do in this case? Yes, I'm getting answers in the chat. We should multiply. And we should multiply what? See, one floor has 31 rooms. So 8 floors will have like that 31 times 8, right? You have to add up 31 8 times, or you can also multiply 31 with 8. And when you multiply 31 with 8, what do you get? 8 3s is 24, 8 1s is 8. So 248. So option D, 248. Let's check if it is correct. Option D, 248. Well done, Munal. Well done. Good job. Moving on with the next question. Okay. Don't get confused. I know ये pictures और ये symbols देख के आप थोड़ा confuse हो रहे होगे, but I'll break it down for you. What does it say? देखो, अगर आप इसे ध्यान से देखोगे, sorry. So अगर आप इसे ध्यान से देखोगे, what is it saying? It is saying one circle plus one circle is equal to 2, right? So we can find out what is the value of one of these circles. Dash plus dash is equal to 2. Yes, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Absolutely correct. So the value of the circle becomes 1. Remember this, circle की value 1 hai. Now, what's next? Circle plus the square is equal to 5. सर्कल की वैल्यू 1 थी, प्लस डैश इज इक्वल टू 5. 1 प्लस डैश इज इक्वल टू 5. तो हमें स्क्वायर की वैल्यू मिल गई 4, राइट? Circle is 1, square is 4. Remember this. Now square plus triangle is equal to 6. Square की वैल्यू क्या मिली थी हमें इधर से? Square की वैल्यू मिली थी 4. So 4 plus dash is equal to 6. Of course, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So हमें triangle की वैल्यू मिल गई 2. Circle की वैल्यू 1, square की वैल्यू 4, triangle की वैल्यू 2. Remember this. Now circle plus triangle is equal to star. तो star की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Circle की वैल्यू 1 थी, triangle की वैल्यू 2, and then this triangle again 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. So हमें star की वैल्यू मिल गई 5. So correct option क्या हुआ? Circle 1, square 4, triangle 2 and star 5. Option A looks correct. Let's click on option A and check if it is right. Yes, well done. Good job, everyone. As I said, you all are so smart. You all are getting all answers correct. Okay, moving ahead, another picture card. Let's see what does this say. So this says, which pair of cards has an even sum? Even sum क्या हो गया? Sum हो गया जब आप किसी numbers को add करते हो, जो answer मिलता है उसे sum कहते हैं, right? Sum is the answer when you are adding some numbers. Even sum, of course, आपको even और odd पता है. अगर आपको जो answer आ रहा है वो even होना चाहिए, right? So let's do the first one. First one is 4 hearts and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 birds. So 9 plus 4 is what? 9 plus 4 is 13. Is that an even sum? Is 13 an even number? No. Let's move to the next one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circles. So 8 plus 5 is again 13. Is 13 an even sum? Is it an even number? No. Let's move to the next one. What is this? These are 7 balls and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pencils. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Is 11 an even number? Again, not. So let's check the last option. This is 5 triangles and 9 squares. So 5 and 9 together make 5 plus 9, 14. Is 14 an even number? Yes, it is. Your correct option becomes option D. 14, even number. Well done. Let's move ahead. Yes, yes, Munal. Correct answer. Okay. Next one says the difference between the numbers shown in the two abacuses is. First तो हमें break down करना है कि ये numbers हैं क्या, right? What are these numbers? So let's count the beads. I hope it is visible. I am not being able to present it in the full screen mode, but I hope it is visible to all of you guys. So let's count what is the first number that is represented. In the hundreds place, I have 1, 2, 3. Laser will not be available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. I have already started getting answers. Good job, everyone. So 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 865. The first number is 865. Remember this. The next number is 431. So what is 865 minus 431? Yes, the answer is 434. Where is 434? In option B. Let's check if option B is correct. Well done, everyone. Whoever answered 434 is absolutely correct, right? Can you move ahead with the next question? Let's get going. Okay. Now you can see what is the question. What is the sum of the numbers written on the number plate of the house? Right hand side में आपको houses दिख रहे दो और उस पे कुछ numbers लिखे हुए हैं ना? आपको इन दोनों numbers का sum बताना है मुझे. What is the sum of the number plates? So in the first number plate, I can see 235. In the next number plate, I can see 453. So if you add up 235 plus 453, what do you get? What is the sum? Yes, you get 688. And let's check where is 688. 680, 608, 688. Option C. Let me click on option C, and it is absolutely correct. Easy, right? That was an easy question. Yes. So are you guys enjoying? Are you having fun? Shall we move ahead? Okay, let's get going. Or do you want to play something? Do you want to play an activity? I do have an activity for you, but we have some more questions over here. Let's complete these questions, and then maybe I can come back to the activity. I did have one activity, but then starting में इतनी कुछ गड़बड़ी हो रही थी, I forgot about the activity. So sorry. But I'll definitely, अगर लास्ट में टाइम बचता है तो हम एक एक्टिविटी जरूर खेलें, right? Okay, let's get going. Which of the following will replace the question mark in the given box? 25 plus 32, then there is a question mark. 52 minus 21. तो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? हम पहले ये सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. क्वेश्चन मार्क के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो है उसको सेपरेटली सॉल्व करते हैं. क्वेश्चन मार्क के राइट हैंड साइड में जो है उसे सेपरेटली सॉल्व करते हैं, एंड फिर हम देखते हैं कि क्या आएगा. ठीक है, ऑप्शंस में आपको दिख रहा है ग्रेटर देन, लेसर देन, इक्वल टू, कांट बी डिटरमाइंड, राइट? We know what is greater than, lesser than, equal to, right? I don't have to explain you that. So let's solve this. 25 plus 32 is equal to what? It is 57. And 52 minus 21 is equal to what? It is 31. So 57, 31. Which sign will you put? Greater than, lesser than, equal to? Obviously 57 is a bigger number. So option A, 57 की तरफ crocodile mouth रहेगा. 57 greater than 31. Right? In the question mark place, you will put this option A sign. Yes, correct answer. Manal, correct answer. Arya, let's click on this, and that's absolutely correct. Well done. Moving ahead to the next question. It says find the value of P, Q, R and S. अभी again आपको right hand side में इधर कुछ ये दिख रहे हैं ना? What does it mean? आपको जो नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं ऑन द कॉलम एंड ऑन द रो, यू हैव टू ऐड, कॉलम और रो मिला के ऐड करना. जैसे आप पी को देखो, यहाँ पी में क्या है? 22, 31. अगर आप इन दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करोगे आपको पी की वैल्यू मिलेगी. तो व्हाट इज 22 प्लस 31? इट इज 53, राइट? तो ऑप्शन में देखते हैं 53 बी और सी में आ रहा है. आर आंसर्स कैन बी आइदर बी और सी. लेट्स मूव अहेड. क्यू की वैल्यू क्या है? क्यू है 35 इधर, और इस तरफ से है सॉरी इधर से है 31 और इस तरफ से है 35. सो 35 प्लस 31 which is again 66. क्यू की वैल्यू 66. दोनों ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं, या बी या सी. लेट्स चेक. आर की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? 43 एंड 22. व्हाट इज 43 एंड 22? इट इज 65. तो अभी तक तो बी लग रहा है. एक लास्ट ऑप्शन चेक कर लेते हैं. एस, 43 and 35, that is 78. Yes, option B मुझे सही लग रहा है. Let's click on option B, and answers भी मुझे option B के आए हैं. So let's check if it is correct. Well done, good job. Okay, let's get going. Next question says a fruit seller sells 220 eggs on Monday, 100 eggs on Tuesday. How many eggs did he sell in 2 days altogether? On the first day, he's selling 220 eggs. On the second day, he's selling 100 eggs. So that's simple. Add up 220 plus 100. This is a simple calculation that gives you 320. So in the option, I have option B, 320. And I can see correct answers coming up. Let's check with option B. Absolutely correct. Good job, everyone, on answering that correctly. Let's go, move ahead. Okay, Arya, Check your answer. No. Yes, let's get going. Okay, the next question. There were 126 bikes and 70 cars parked in a parking lot. तो एक parking lot है, उसमें कुछ bikes हैं और कुछ cars हैं. 126 bikes हैं और 70 cars हैं. How many vehicles were parked in all? तो total कितने सारे vehicles हैं, bikes और cars को मिला के, right? So we'll check. 126 plus 70. If you add them together, what do you get? 196. Well done, Hunal. And let's check if option B is correct. 196. Good job again. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's get going. Let's move to the next question. Oh, that was our last question. Okay, good job. So as I said, I also have a activity for you. But पहले तो मुझे बताओ, did you enjoy the session? Did you all have fun? I enjoyed the session. I enjoyed taking the session with you all. I hope you all enjoyed as well. And as I said, I do have a activity. So let me just take you to the activity. And 1 minute. Okay, I am not being able to show you this. 1 minute. Yes, finally, I got it. So I hope my screen is visible. Yeah, the activity is quite simple. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ कार्ड्स दिख रहे हैं. कार्ड्स के पीछे कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं. हमें क्या करना है? हमें लाइक एक पेयर, लाइक देयर आर टू पिक्चर्स सेम. सबने खेला है ये गेम कभी ना कभी, राइट? आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी हैज प्लेड दिस गेम. So what we are doing is we are finding out the correct pairs together. हमें राइट पेयर ढूंढना है. तो लेट्स गेट गोइंग. मैं एक एक करके आपको ये कार्ड्स ओपन करके दिखाऊंगी और आपको मुझे बताना है कि हाँ, हमने सेम वाला कार्ड कहाँ पर देखा था. तो मैं एक एक करके स्टार्ट करती हूँ, राइट? चलो आप मुझे बताओ कहाँ पे आपने कौन सा कार्ड देखा है. फर्स्ट कार्ड ओपन कर रही हूँ मैं. ओके, फर्स्ट देयर वाज अ रैट. एक माइस और रैट है. माउस. ओह, हमारा फर्स्ट में ही दोनों सेम आ गए. चलो लेट्स गेट गोइंग. व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट? Next, there is a caterpillar, remember. Then there is a bird, remember this. Then there is this, what, dragon, looks like a dragon to me. Oh, caterpillar, we had seen caterpillar somewhere. Where did we see the caterpillar? Who remembers? In the chat, let me know. Caterpillar kahan hai? Quick, where's the caterpillar? Yes, the caterpillar is this one over here, and let's match it with the caterpillar. Let's get going. The next one over here, I have an elephant. Elephant तो अब तक नहीं खुला है. Fish भी अब तक नहीं खुला है. Elephant again. We saw the elephant somewhere. Where was the elephant? Can somebody tell me? Yes, it is in the second row, third card. Let's open this, and that's an elephant. Good job. Let's move ahead, and then you have a chicken over here, a hen, and over here you have like a white bread. It looks like. Oh, fish. Where did we see the fish? We have seen the fish somewhere. Think and let me know in the chat. Fish kahan dekha tha humne? Yes, it was again in this card. Let's check. Fish. So maximum cards तो हमारे खुल गए हैं. बहुत कम रह गए अभी. Let's see आगे आगे क्या आता है. Okay, there is a bird. We saw this bird somewhere. Who remembers where we saw this bird? Okay. Is it over here? Let's check. Yes, absolutely correct. You're smart as well. Okay, where did we see this? This recently came by. ये तो recently देखा है हमने. Okay, where is this? Wow, you all are doing great. Okay, ये match क्यों नहीं हुआ? We saw this as well. Where did we see this? पहले तो हम इसे मैच कर लेते हैं. ये मैच क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Okay. Okay, let's match the chickens together. Chickens matched. What's next? This dragon was over here, right? Matched. Well done. Okay, I think this will match with one of these. Yeah. And then what do we have next? We have camel. Camel hasn't come as of yet. Then we have this bread slice again. This bread slice was over here, matched. And these two left out options are camels. You win. Well done. How did you find the session? Did you all enjoy the session today? Yes, I had a lot of fun with you guys. I hope you all enjoyed too. And if you all enjoyed the session, do meet me again in the next week. We every week we have this YouTube live streaming. So again, next week, same time. See you guys. Bye bye.